In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a sheet in Google Sheets on your desktop. We all know that organizing data can sometimes lead to having too many sheets, and there are times when you need to declutter by deleting some unused or unnecessary tabs. Let's walk through this straightforward process together so that you can manage your spreadsheets effectively. To begin, open up your Google Sheets file. Once you have your Google Sheets document open, look towards the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find the tabs representing each sheet within your document. Take a moment to locate the particular tab of the sheet you are looking to delete. The name of the sheet will be displayed clearly on the tab, making it easy for you to identify exactly which one you want to remove. Next, move your cursor over the tab of the sheet you wish to delete. You'll want to right-click on this tab, which will bring up a menu of options. From this menu, simply choose the Delete option. This action is designed to ensure that you don't accidentally remove any important data without intending to. Once you select Delete, a confirmation dialog box will appear on your screen. This is a safety feature built into Google Sheets to make sure that you are absolutely sure about deleting the selected sheet. It's important to confirm this action by clicking the appropriate button in the dialog box. Doing so will permanently delete the sheet from your spreadsheet. Now let's go over some important things to keep in mind while we're doing this. If the sheet you're wanting to delete is the only one in the spreadsheet, you might encounter an issue. Google Sheets won't allow you to delete your last remaining sheet within the document. At least one sheet must remain in the spreadsheet at all times. Also, bear in mind that once you delete a sheet, it's permanently removed from that spreadsheet, which means all the data it contained will be lost. So, make sure you don't need the information in that sheet. Better yet, back it up somewhere else if you're unsure. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you delete a sheet by mistake or have second thoughts immediately after removal, don't worry. Google Sheets provides a couple of ways to recover from such an error. One quick way is through the Undo feature. Simply press Ctrl+Z right after deletion if you haven't made any other major changes in the meantime. Another method is to utilize the Version History feature by navigating to File and then selecting Version History, enabling you to restore an earlier version of your spreadsheet. That's it! You now know how to delete a sheet in Google Sheets on your desktop confidently. Happy organizing and thanks for watching.